Hello students, here I am going to start second part of exponent and power. In first part we learn exercise 2.1 and now in this part we will learn standard form of a number and exercise 2.2. So let's start how to write a number in standard form. So what is standard form? A number is said to be in standard form if it is expressed as k into 10 to the power n, where k is number such that k is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. Okay, and n is any integer. So that means any number which can be expressed as k into 10 to the power n, then it will be standard form. Okay, for example 2000. So 2000 can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so here this 2 is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. So this is expressed as in standard form. Okay, now how to convert very small numbers from decimal notation to standard form. So in this case you have to move, first step, move the decimal point to right till you get just one digit left of decimal place. So for example if you are taking 0.1001, okay, so in this case you have to put you have to move this decimal point to right till you get one point left to decimal point, and then write the given number as product of number obtained in step 1 and 10 to the power minus 1. So you have to write 10 to the power minus 1. What is n? So n is number of place the decimal point has been moved to right. So here to here we have to move this decimal point. So how many places you have to move? So you have to move this decimal till you get one number left side of decimal. So you have to write 1.0. So here to get 1.0, how many place decimal is moved? So decimal is moved to 1, 2, 3. So that means 3 place it is moved. So you have to write 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. I hope it is clear. Take another example. If it is given 0.02, so you have to move decimal 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, understand? I hope it is clear. So now come to exercise. So now here it is given, express the following number in standard form. So here it is given, first one 0.00, count that. So how many, here you have to move this decimal you have to move up to right side. Okay, so how many places you have to move? So you have to put the decimal between 8 and 5. Okay, so here how many places it will move? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there 11 0 and then 1 8. So that means this decimal will be moved to 12 place. Okay, so then it will be 8.5. Okay, and then you have to write 10 to the power minus how many place decimal is moved to right. So how many place it is moved? So 12 place it is moved. So it will be 8.5 into 10 to the power 12 minus 12. I hope it is clear. Now in second part it is given how many zeros? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 0 and then 1 9. Okay, because when you put, so here it will be 9.42. Okay, because we needs one digit left to decimal. Okay, we needs one digit left to decimal. So this decimal point 9 is one digit. So 9.42 into 10 to the power, how many places decimal is moved? So how many places decimal is moved? So decimal is moved to 13 place. So minus 13. I hope it is clear. So now you learned how to write any decimals in standard form. Now next one it is given, this larger number is given and you have to write in standard form. So in this case you have to put the decimal after one digit. Okay, so here you have to write 6.2 602 and then 000 it is given. So you have to put 0.02. So here decimal is put at how many places? So here 2 place here, and then how many number of zeros are given. So you can write that. So here decimal is put here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 13 0 and then 2 0. Okay, so that means 15 point. So decimal is moved to 15 times, so you can take 10 to the power 15. Okay, so this in the case of larger one, that power of 10 will be positive. Okay, you can take another example. Suppose it is given 5000. Okay, so 5000 it is given, or you can take 50,000. So here suppose 50,000 can be written 50,000.0. Okay, so here this decimal is moved to right side. Okay, in the case of larger number, you have to move decimal to left side. Okay, and in the case of smaller, you have to move right side. So here move the decimal, how many places it is moved. So to write in standard form, you have to write k into something. So k is less than 5, that means one digit. So here 5. Okay, and 0.0. So how many place decimal is moved? 1 2 3 4. So 4 place, so you have to write 10 to the power 4. Understand? So now you learned how to write any number in standard form. So do remaining parts. Now come to, so here question number 6. Remaining question you can do by yourself. If you have doubt, you can ask in live class. So it is given mass of Mars is 6.42 into 10 to the power 29 kg, and mass of Sun is 1.99 into 10 to the power 30 kg. So what is the total mass? So it is given mass of Mars is given and mass of Sun is given. It is just total mass. So you know we have to add these two masses. Okay, so here given mass of Mars is 6.42 into 10 to the power 29 kg, and mass of Sun is 1.99 into 10 to the power 30 kg. Okay, so total mass will be sum of both masses. So 6.42 into 10 to the power 29 and 1.99 into 10 to the power 30. Okay, so here when you want to add any number which is in standard form, so in that case you have to take out that 10 to the power something it is given, so you have to take out that common. So here 10 to the power 29, here 20 to the power 30. So 10 to the power 29 will be common in both term. So here 10 to the power 29 is taken common. So here only 6.42 will be remain, and here 1.99 into here 10 to the power 30 it was. So you have taken 10 to the power 29. So 110 will remains here. So here 6.42 plus 1.99 into 10. Okay, so when you multiply 1.99 into 10, then you will get 19.9. Okay, so here 10 to the power 29 into 6.42 into this. Add these two number, so it will be, when you add 6.42 plus 19.9, you will get 26.32 into 10 to the power 29. So here mass of Mars is, total mass is 26.23 into 10 to the power 29. So here total mass, okay, is this. I hope it is clear. Now come to next question. Question number 7. It is given a particular star is at distance of about 8.1 into 10 to the power 13 km from Earth. Okay, so that particular star is at distance 8.1 into 10 to the power 13 km from Earth, and assuming that light travels at the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So find how long does light takes from that star to reach the Earth. Okay, so you know that speed of light is this. So if that light of stars, that it is asked how many times that light of star will take to come at Earth. Okay, so here distance is given, distance of star from Earth, this kilometer, and speed of light is given. So you know that time is equal to, distance upon speed. So here distance is given, so time taken to reach the Earth is equal to total time. sorry, distance upon speed. Okay, so here 8 into 10 to the power 13 upon 3 into 10 to the power 13. So you can write 8.1 into 10 to the power 13 upon 3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, so here this 3 can cancel this in how many times? 2.7 times. Okay, and 10 to the power here 13 and 10 to the power 8. So you can write 2.7 into 10 to the power 13 minus 8. Okay, 13 minus 8 it will be, because 10 to the power 13 upon 10 to the power 8. You know a upon a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So here 10 to the power 13 minus 8. So it will be, so 10 to the power 13 minus 8, it will be, here one mistake is there. So you have to write 10 to the power 13 minus 8. So it will be 10 to the power 5. Okay, so that time taken by that is equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power 5 second. Okay, because here 13 days given and here 8 is given, so it will be 5. So correct it. You have to write 2.7 into 10 to the power 5. Understand? This is answer. So students, 2 remaining question of exercise, and if you have doubt, so you can ask in live class. Okay, so thank you to attend the class. Okay.